Front brake is stuck solid. No movement, completely seized. Smells like old varnish fuel. Fuel turned into sludge. Everything's dried and loose. Corrosion everywhere in the wiring. Linkage feels tight and dry. Oil has turned to tar. Plan: brakes, fuel, electrics. Let penetrant do its job. Perfect fit, no rounding. Cracked loose, good sign. Calipers off, now we can see. Lock it down one step at a time. Soak the piston seal area. A gentle shock helps. Slow, don't scar the piston. Seal is hard as plastic.
We'll try to save the original piston.
Decades of grime in the groove.
Flush it until it runs clear.
Fresh seal, perfect seating. So ring. Just a thin film. Back on the bike. Torque it evenly. We've got lever travel now. At least it rolls. Fuel line off, keep it controlled. Look at that brown varnish. Soak the stubborn one. Tank's off, now we clean it right. It's not fuel anymore. Mechanical scrub, old school. Listen, that's rust breaking free. That's the proof. Throttle cable off, carbs next. These rubbers are brittle. Let's open them up. One screw at a time. It's pure varnish. No wonder it wouldn't feed fuel. Scrape, don't gouge. Main jet out. No light, fully clogged.
Let chemistry work.
Passages are opening up. Float pin is rusty.
Save the original hardware.
Now it breathes. Back where it belongs. New gasket, no leaks. Sealed up. Dry it, then install. Seat it evenly. Throttle snaps back. Filter is packed. Bring the flow back. This gasket can't seal. New seal, no drips. Smooth action again. One more shake. Tank cleanup is working. Much cleaner inside. Contact cleaner, every connector. Get the green off. Solid connection. Ground point matters. Bare metal, better ground. Ground restored. Clean bay before power. Good contact starts here. Negative on first. Power is back. No headlight, trace the fault. Start at the fuse. Contacts are burnt. Restore the contact. Clean the holder too. Fuse back in. We've got light, weak but alive. The socket. Fresh bulb in. It's usable light. Plugs are coming out. Fouled and oily. Gap set for a clean spark. Keep threads clean. Hand tight first. Seated, don't overdo it. Spark path connected. Time for fresh oil. Oil is thick live syrup. Batch pan ready. Drain plug loose. Let it fully drain. Washer won't seal again. New washer installed. Button it up. Sealed. Ready to refill. Fresh oil going in. Clean threads, clean seal. Tank goes back on.
Align it before tightening.
Thread it by hand.
Fuel line connected. Fuel on, watch for leaks.
Dry check, no seep. Set a safe idle. Prime it, slow kicks. Come on, spark and fuel. Air side might be blocked. Air side might be blocked. Filter is falling apart.
Clear the air box.
New filter fitted. Airbox sealed.
It coughed. Closer.
Tiny mixture tweak.
There it is. It's running.
Let it warm up. Checking for oil leaks.
Fuel system is dry.
Front brake feels solid.
Tail light works.
Quick cleanup before the ride.
Safety first, safety first.
Chain is dry. Short test only.
First gear engaged. First roll in years.
Stop straight.
Old gauges still breathe.
Final degrease pass.
Look at that shine returning. Make it presentable.
Keep the patina, clean the grime. Chrome's coming back.
Short ride. Listen for trouble. Suspension still moves.
Fresh drips.
Shut down. Final checks. Clean enough to be proud.
Old soul, back on the road. It kept its history.
See you on the first ride.